Hey everyone, Peter Maraca here with the Maraca Group, and we are at our newest listing, 65 Lake Avenue North in Stoney Creek, Ontario. It's where I was born and raised. It's where I still call home today. It's a beautiful family-friendly neighborhood. This home boasts 4 bedrooms, a finished basement. It's close to all your amenities, close to your highway access. It backs onto a park, and the best part is this. Beautiful backyard oasis retreat.
You know you got me. Oh, this is the start of something beautiful. And oh, this is the start of something you should know. Oh, you got me. Oh, you got me.
I'm Pete Maraca. If you have any questions about this property, PM me, DM me, call me, do whatever you want. Just get a hold of me and let's change your life.